How to fix Roblox upgrade problem, the Delta Executor latest version 62020. So to be able to fix that problem, we need to go to follow these steps. Now, first of all, go and update the app, go to Play Store, and now tap on search, type Roblox. Now that tap on it, as you can see here, if you don't say play, say if you say if you see updates, just tap on updates and update the app. Now after that, what you need to do is we're going to clear the cache of the app. Now go to app and now go to app info. Now tap on storage, tap on clear data. Now clear all the cache, click OK. Now after that, allow all the app permission. Now tap on app permission here and now allow the camera, allow the contacts, allow the files and media, allow the microphone. And after you allow all the permission here, just after that, you need to reboot your device. So after that, you need to reboot your device, and after that, you will be able to solve your problem. Now after that, try to log into your account. Now I will log into my account and go back to you guys. And as you can see, the problem is solved. So after following these steps, you will be solved your problem. So this is how to fix Roblox upgrade problem, the Delta Executor latest version 62020. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.